Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students, today discuss about divisions. See here from your workbook, page number 27. Solve the following divisions. Solve the following divisions. First one is, this is very easy. 49 is divided by 7. So 49 is taking as dividend, 7 is taking as divisor. So where it is possible in 7 table, 7 7s are 49. See here, 49 Nana, 4 is less than 7, so we have to take 2 digits from left to right side, that is 49. 49 is divisible by 7, in which see 7 7s are 49. 49 minus 49, 0. Then question 2 is equals to 7. Now next 27 divided by 9. So 27 is taking as dividend, 9 is taking as divisor. See here, you can read 9 table, 9 3s are 27. So 27 minus 27, 0. Now next 56 divided by 8. 56 is taking as dividend and divisor here 8. So you can read 8 table where it is divisible. 8 7s are 56. 8 7s are 56. 56 minus 56, 0. Now next 36 is divided by 4. Now here 36 is taking as dividend and 4 is taking as divisor. Here from the dividend we have to take 2 digits from left to right side, because if you take first digit, that is 3, 3 is less than 4, so I have to take 2 digits, that is 36. So you can read 4 table where it is divisible. 4 9s are 36. 4 9s are 36. Now 36 minus 36 you can get 0. So remaining problem you can do. Now next 328 divided by 8. See here 328. So this is the dividend. Now 8 is divisor. From the dividend, so we have to take 2 places from left to right side, because if we take from left side first one, that is 3, 3 is less than 8. Then it is not possible. Now we have to take 2 digits from left to right side, that is 32. Then you can read 8 table now. So 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Then 32 minus 32 you can get 0. From the dividend, bring down 8 to the remainder. So now 8 1s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Then quotient is equals to 41. Next 207 divided by 9. Here 207 taking as dividend, 9 is taking as divisor. Then we have to take 2 digits from left to right side in the dividend. See here, if we take 1 digit from left side, first digit, see here 2 is less than 9. Then you can take 2 digits from left to right side, that is 20. Then you can read 9 table. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. See here. 9 3s are 27 is more than 20. Then we have to take 9 2s are 18. It is possible. 9 2s are 18. Then 18 is subtracted from 20. So here first 0 minus 8. Possible better, not possible. Take borrowing from 2, it can give 10. Then 2 it can last one here. 1 10 minus 8. You can get 2. Now 1 minus 1, 0. Then bring down 7 to the remainder. So you can read 9 table. 9 3s are 27. It is exactly possible, divisible. Then 9 3s are 27. Now 27 minus 27 0. Then quotient is equals to 23. Next 456 divided by 6. See, 456 is taking as dividend and 6 is divisor. Then from dividend, see here Nana, we have to take from left to right side 2 places, that is 45. If you take first place from left side, then 4 is less than 6, so we have to take 2 digits from left. See here 45, that is 45. Now you can read 6 table. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. See here 45. 6 8s are 48. 48 is more than 45. It is not possible. Then we have to take 6 7s are 42. 42 is less than 45. Then we have to take 6 7s are 42. Now 42 is subtracted from 45. First subtracted ones place digit. So that is 5 minus 2. You can get 3. 4 minus 4 0. So 6 bring down to the remainder. Now here 6 6 are 36. Exactly divisible. 6 6 are 36. 36 minus 36 0. Then quotient is equals to 76. Remainder is equals to 0. Now next 588 divided by 3. See here the given dividend from left side, first digit is 5. 5 is greater than 3, so it is possible. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 is more than 5, then you can take 3 1s are 3. 3 is subtracted from 5, you can get 5 minus 3, 2. Then bring down the 8 to the remainder. Now where it is possible, 3 9s are 27. Okay, 3 10s are 30. So here 28. 3 9s are 27 is possible because 27 is less than 28. Then you can write 3 9s are 27. 8 minus 7 you can get 1. 2 minus 2 0. 8 bring down to the remainder. So where it is divisible? 3 table. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18 you can get 0. So here quotient is equals to 196 and remainder is equals to quotient is equals to 196. Remainder that is equals to 0. Now next see here 4,178 divided by 8. So 4,178 is taking as dividend and this is 8 is divisor. From dividend, see here we have to take 2 digits from left, that is 41 because 4 is less than 8. So where it is divisible? 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. See here 48 is more than 41, then we have to take 8 5 are 40. 1 minus 0 1, 4 minus 4 0, bring down 7 to the remainder. Here 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24. See here 8 4 are 32. 17 means 8 3 are 24. 24 is more than 17, then we have to take 8 2 are 16. 8 2 are 16. 17 minus 16. 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 1 0. You can get 1. Now here bring down 8 to the remainder. Now here where it is possible 8 to the 16, 8 is the 24. So 24 is more than 18, then we have to take 8 to 2 the again 16. Now 18 minus 16, 8 minus 6 to 2, 1 minus 1, 0. See here, write down everybody. Quotient QUOTIENT. Quotient is equals to 522. Remainder is equals to 2. Now next one beta. Three thousand 569 divided by 6. See here 3569 taking as dividend and 6 divisor. So you have to take from left to right side 2 digits, because if you take first number, that is 3 is less than 6, it is not possible, then we have to take 2 digits from left. See here 35. Now we can write here 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. See here 35. Where it is 6 6 are 36. 36 is more than 35 beta. Then we have to take 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 35. Write in the question. Now 35 minus 30. 5 minus 0 5. 3 minus 3 0. Now bring down 6 to the remainder. See here 56. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. 60 is more than 56, then we have to take 6 9s are 54. So 9 write in the question, 6 9s are 54. Then here 54 is subtracted from 56. 6 minus 4 you can get 2. 5 minus 5 0. Now bring down 8 9 to the remainder. Here where it is possible, 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30 is more than 29. Then we have to take 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. Now 24 is subtracted from 29. So 29 minus 24. First 9 minus 4 you can get 5. 2 minus 2 0. So there is no number from dividend. So stop it. Now here quotient is equals to 594 remainder, that is equals to 5. Now next one, $1,596 divided by 5. So I have to take 2 digits from left, that is 15. Now 15. 5 threes are 15. 15 minus 15 you can get 0. Bring it down. Now 9 is greater than 5. So where it is possible? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is more than 9. 5 ones are 5. So 9 minus 5 you can get 4. 6 bring down to the remainder. So 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. So here 50 is more than 46. 5 nines are 45. It is possible. So 5 nines are 45. Now 45 is subtracted from 46. 46 minus 45. 6 minus 5 you can get 1. 4 minus 4 0. Then stop it. There is no number from the divider. See here quotient is equals to 319. Remainder is equals to 1. Now next, $5,876 divided by 9. See here, 5,876 is divided by 9. So we have to take from left to right side 2 digits, that is 58 beta. Now write here 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90. See here, 9 6 are 54, 9 7 are 63. 9 7 are 63 is more than 58, so I have to take 9 6 are 54. 8 minus 4, 4, 5 minus 5, 0, bring down 7 to the remainder. So where it is possible? 9 6 are 54, 54 is more than 47. Now I have to take 9 5 are 45. So 45 is less than 47. 9 5 are 45. 7 minus 5, 2, 4 minus 4, 0, bring down 6 to the remainder. Here 9 3 are 27. 27 is more than 26. Now I have to take 9 2s are 18. Here 6 minus 8 not possible. Take borrowing 10. 10 plus 6 16. 16 minus 8 8. 1 minus 1 0. Quotient is equals to 652. Remainder is equals to 8. Now next 2731 divided by 8. Now we have to take from left to right side 2 digits 27. Now here writing 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24, 8 4 are 32, 8 5 are 40. See here 27. 8 4 are 32 is more than 27. Then we have to take 8 3 are 24. So 27 minus 24. 7 minus 4 you can get 3. 2 minus 2 0. Now bring down 3 to the remainder. Now here see 33. 8 5 is 40. 40 is more than 33. Then we have to take 8 4 the 32. 32 is less than 33. See here, 8 4 the 32. 3 minus 2 1. 3 minus 3 0. Bring down 1. 11. See, 8 2 the 16. 16 is more than 11. So I have to take 8 1 the 8. 8 1 the 8. Then subtract. 11 0. 11 minus 8 you can get. Quotient is equals to 341. Remainder is equals to 0. 3 means 3. Now next one. $5,879 divided by 7. So I have to take 2 digits from left to right. That is 58. You can write it here. 7 table. 7 5 is 35. 7 6 is 42. 7 7 is 49. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. 7 10 is 7. 58. See here. 7 8 is 56. 7 9 is 63. 7 9 is 63. 63 is more than 58. Then we have to take 7 8 is 56. 56 is less than 58. So 7 8 is 56. 8 minus 6 you can get to 5 minus 5 0. Bring down 7 to the remainder. Then here 7 4 is 28. 7 3 is 21. See here 7 4 is 28. 28 is more than 27. 7 3 is 21. It is possible. 7 3 is 21. Then 7 minus 1 you can get 6. 2 minus 2 0. Bring down 9 to the remainder 69. 7 9 is 63. 7 7 is 70. See 7 9 is 63. 63 is less than 69. Then you can write here 7 9 is 63. Now 9 minus 3 you can get 6. 6 minus 6 0. So quotient is equals to 839 remainder is equals to 0 6. So that is 6. Now next, divide and write the dividend, divisor, quotient and the remainder for the following divisions. See here next bit. Divide and write the divided divisor, quotient and remainder of the following divisions. See here, $3,825 divided by 7. So here in the dividing we have to take 2 digits from left to right. That is 38. You can write 7 5 is 35. 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 42 is, if you take 7 6 are 42, 42 is more than 38. Then we have to take 7 5 are 35. 7 5 are 35. Now 38 minus 35. 8 minus 5. You can get 3. 3 minus 3 0. Bring down 2 to the remainder. See here. 7 4 are 28. 7 3 are 21. 7 5 are 35. So 7 5 are 35 is more than 32. Then we have to take 7 4 are 28. 7 4 are 28. Here 28 is subtracted from 32. That is 32 minus 28. First subtracted 2 minus 8. So 2 minus 8 possible, not possible because 2 is less than 8. Then we have to take borrow from 3. You can give 10 is added to 2. You can get 12. 3 it can last 1. 3 becomes 2. 12 minus 8 you can get 4. Now bring down 5 to the remainder. See here where it is possible. 7 6 are 42. 7 7 are 49. 7 7 are 49. 49 is more than 45. Then we have to take 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. Here 5 minus 2 you can get 3. 4 minus 4 0. Write down quotient. Here dividend. Dividend is equals to 3825. Divisor is equals to 7. Quotient is equals to 546. Remainder 03 means 3. Now next 4526 divided by 9. So here I have to take from left to right side 2 digits. 9 5 are 45. 9 6 are 54. 9 4 are 36. 9 3 are 27. See here 9 5 are 45 exactly divisible. 9 5 are 45. 45 minus 45 you can get 0. Bring down 2. So bring down 2 to the remainder. See here 2 is less than 9. It is not possible. Again 6 bring down to the remainder. What I have to do? At a time 2 numbers bring down to the remainder from the divided. We can write 0 in the quotient. Now here 9 3s are 27. 27 is more than 26. Then you can write 9 2s are 18. 6 minus 8 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 2. It can give 10. 10 plus 6 16. 2 it can last 1. 2 becomes 1. 16 minus 8 you can get 8. 1 minus 1 0. Right here dividend is equals to 4526. Divisor is equals to 9. Quotient is equals to 502. Remainder is equals to 0 8. That is 8. Now next one 7021 divided by 6. So from divided, so I have to take left side first one because 7 is greater than 6. 6 ones are 6.1. 7 minus 6 1, bring down 0 to the remainder. Again 6 ones are 6. 6 write down below 0. Then 0 minus 6 not possible, take barring. So 10 minus 6 4, here 0, bring down 2. See here, 6 6 are 36. 6 7 are 42. Possible. 6 7 are 42. 42 minus 42 0. Now bring down 1 to the remainder. Where it is possible? 6 zeros are 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6 more than 1. So I have to take 6 zeros are 0. Then 1 minus 0 you can get 1. Write down dividend is equals to 7021 divisor is equals to 6. Quotient is equals to 1170. Remainder is equals to 1. So remaining problem one is left back. Everybody do it home. Okay, thank you everybody.